500PLUS BAMTEC, the world's fastest steel fixing system, helped builder John Holland consistently maintain fast floor cycles during construction of Mondrian Apartments on the corner of Spencer and Little Londsdale streets in Melbourne. The BAMTEC reinforcing steel carpet system was an integral part of One Steel Reinforcing's comprehensive design, supply and fix package for the project. The original design for the flat plate slabs in the 26-storey apartment building was based on the use of conventional steel reinforcing. But because One Steel Reinforcing began working with John Holland Constructions early in the project development phase, there was sufficient time for us to work with the builder to develop a more structurally and cost-efficient design. John Holland Constructions design manager for the project, Mario Yetzer, had seen BAMTEC in use on a recent trip to Europe and was keen to see if the system could deliver benefits on Mondrian Apartments.
I contacted One Steel and together we were able to come up with a solution which we were able to present to Winwood Structures, the structural engineers, and they were able to apply that to the design. One Steel were also able to give us the added advantage of a design, supply and install, which provided a better outcome for the project through cost savings and time savings. I'm delighted to state that BAMTEC proved as good in practice as it was in design. The construction was fast, efficient and cost effective.
John Holland's project manager was equally impressed by the performance of BAMTEC.
My name's Lindsay Barber. I'm a project manager with John Holland Constructions for the Mondrian Apartment project. One Steel were involved with us from the very early stages of this project. Our original design engineer had gone down the traditional path of traditional reinforcement design for all our flat plate slabs. One Steel offered their expertise during our value engineering stages at the front end of the project and showed us the benefits, both in time and cost, in going to a BAMTEC system. They then had their engineers involved right throughout the construction process. In fact, I had one of their engineers on site during the placement of the BAMTEC to all 26 floors on this project. And I think that was invaluable in, you always have little hiccups on a building site. As and when those hiccups occurred, they had the solution there. The bottom line is it really enabled us to maintain our cycle time. At the end of the day, that's what's most important to a project manager building a multi-storey project in town, is maintaining your cycle time. Next project I go to, One Steel will be with me at the design table at the front end of the project.
Under 500PLUS supply and fix agreements, One Steel Reinforcing is responsible for all aspects of a project concerning steel reinforcing, including advanced design assistance, redetailing to simplify and speed construction, construction solutions including the use of appropriate systems such as BAMTEC, rebar, prefab and concrete construction accessories, coordinating subcontractors and supervising all steel fixing, and scheduling, prefabricating and delivering reinforcement to site as required, including BAMTEC. BAMTEC is the world's fastest steel fixing system. It involves designing and prefabricating reinforcing steel carpets to virtually any shape or size. Individual rebars are welded to flexible steel straps, which can connect up to hundreds of bars together. The carpet is then simply rolled up for handling and transport. BAMTEC carpets can contain different types and sizes of bars, have bars at different spacings, and can also accommodate complex shapes and penetrations. When needed on site, the carpet is simply lifted into place and unrolled onto continuous bar chairs, saving up to 80% in time compared to conventional steel reinforcing.